Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to your Wix website. This is incredibly useful if you want to track visitor activity, measure the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns, and build targeted audiences for future ads. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your site. On the left navigation menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where you'll access all the core configurations for your website. After clicking on Settings, you'll see a comprehensive overview of all the website settings available under your Wix account. There's quite a bit here, so take a moment to scroll down through the menu. What you're looking for is a section called Development and Integrations. Once you spot it, click on Marketing Integrations. This section is specifically designed to help you connect third-party marketing tools that can enhance your site's performance and tracking capabilities. Now, you'll be taken to a new page where you can see all the marketing tools available to make your campaigns more effective. Browse through the options until you locate Metapixels and Sakai. This is Facebook's integration for adding the Metapixel and Conversions API to your site. Once you find it, click on Connect. This initiates the setup process for linking your Facebook Pixel directly to your Wix website. From this point forward, the process becomes straightforward. All you need to do is connect your Facebook Metapixel by clicking on Connect to Facebook. You'll then be guided through a series of on-screen instructions that will walk you through the authorization and setup process. It's important to note that this feature is only available for premium subscribers on Wix. So if you're on a free plan, you might see a different interface or a prompt to upgrade your account before you can proceed. If that's the case, simply follow the upgrade instructions to unlock this feature. Once you've completed the connection, your Facebook Pixel will be active on your Wix site, allowing you to track visitor behavior, optimize your ad campaigns, and gather valuable insights into how users interact with your content. And that's it, you've successfully added Facebook Pixel to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.